Kajing pakhangi ki kali tures ha ka step arpun retrek naitung arja arpusau da ka hinyo trap National Youth Front HNYF East Khasi Hills District ha tengar ha ka ba syamla sya bandrung sya so ra bat thain dauki kala wanra kajing penramjur ya ka HNYF da ki noi lambat ki nongket kam jong ki senjuk ki batrai kam bat kamai na ka kam jungok kai perthai Kumban syukdo ba ka HNYF kala penong kajing pakhangi ki kali tures kum kajing persya ek sarkar halor kajing bam pentrai kam ya ka Meghalaya Resident Security and Safety Act MRSSA arjar khatnrio nakaliang ki senjok baper ha bakran sikilat pathai kubor ha kapor jan miet kila ong magani kajing le ka pensir mensi mi ki tures ki bawan kai sya ka jella kadai ka sien boning kong ba ki nong jungok kai perthai kila sya pan phai kala bat ka wanra ka dur ka basniu ya ka kam jungok kai perthai la ong ki nong elam ka senjok
Ya syong ne kruin ta si ban pau ke jing so kundip to khra ba ke jing so si ru alo ke jing jam ne ba umpoi tu khan in community ba ha kan ke jing so tu nat ne ke yo tourism ko jam ta la bun snem ya ba baro ni so tu ikata ke jing so tu nat lo halor ke jing to manio kan ke kam livelihood kam ka jam ko ba kibri ki yo ba kan ke kam sakai prithai tinrei ke jing ja ne kalong bathe buja ya borok ke betre ne kam but ni dapat pawe ke jing persya bajur wede bat ka jing le jong ka tu seng ke ba syukur thlep untuk step syubat iki bristeng ti bosong si kalong ba bankong pun iya ka jing long klep akor ke jing le joki la jutep khantam ka tu jing ja ka de hakr dop se sora ga ba pauna nam ta jing don akor tinrei ke jing le ni tu kiseng kan pa ke jing long klem akor pat ka ai ke image bas new ndei shu tang ya ka sora ndei state pa koi sia ko thai sabar kumala ong dei ba bandum bantei ya kan ka yo tourism kum le basu simport de kisnem mangi batrai kan ka kam ni su thu ba ndei magic musule magic bakan long ni we have hop we have slop but kum ba kalong ni mtahi nganut ban ong ba kadai jing praise tom ki bri ba ya don bertah ni ka kap ngada ki long seng hotel ngada ki bri ki ba bu e ka kanja ki bri banyak kali ki bri be lam guide sumo ustunat kan ka kam sakai perthai minta ka ikam ki local jungi it's all about local livelihood ban yale akai kumni ba kan ka kam kumni long jing ja pasopsi hoi ki issue ba per ki don ki seng balang ki don la jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba dan ko kom ne ban chube yu bri steng ti kuma o ya pi sai siem ka pen isi dor ya ke jing long jongi ba ka reflect ya ka dor ba sniu sha ki we pat ki ta jong ko thai ha ka jok social media ta pher tuk tiap tang ri second ku bol apoi keleng ko thai ya ka buram ka bangiri bro skat ta ngi chun spoil ta ka po klip mat mon di ke bas dia pa da terpat nang ni sakhmat mundi tang ya tu seng iki seng ru ba pilih aku mikini kam da perhat sani perhat jengai ba ka repercussion ketika berjengai ngayo kol keleng menta lagi than nong kendong jengi lagi beri lapun pa ke jing bitar awede kan ke jing jam nya sing de hok bakin bitar nomor la kata jak po joki ham tam hakan ke juk ke ba mo ka bang ya perkhat man phai kham bha se ki kam ki bolong sustainable na ong to nya sange no ti mau to nya sange no ti mau syun re syudun bok ba gle ru da terpang ya ni ri khasi jungi bo ai ko we ke jing khu bo ai makan lo jaka ka bi tenang de we ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ko bu ni ban kamai kendong jak bo tin re sutu kan bahaba kibri bila le sitom kumni nga keren hakobe de bat kibri ba invest haki no kendong jadi no kendong ban simlun silak arlak de kam masuk bapligan rat kila sim lagi lun ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan joki de kumkin ki jingja mut pen seir kamai jak po joki tina kadau da kepat banang ni sakmat kumo ong ki isu gini ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hok ban pau ki jing e joki le ahor kom ko badai barbor gadang ko kom ban le kata manasif yang ngono ko jing ni yang ngono ko jing kwa amde machu le jubor kum to ndai barbor hi gede lemba ka jing kren ka jing suthu bat ka jing pen be ta ka ba ya suthu lang ibe ni em ha ka ni ka jaka ka ba wat you perhat mangi la ban im non isolated pin mau hi berbor mangi rudan tablet sebe mane phone ki khon jongaru pule sabar wangi song sier marba yo sakta se ngiru ki khasi ki basa sabar ke jela Meghalaya nakakdaw nga ohi insist pa nang ni sakman le daga jing song thu bat le daga jing kit kli bakai kai baja ni kala ban tak kala yong kertok kala segi student sungi basa sabar ke jela ka tourism kadai open business open market nga suthu ka hok hi boong ladingi pendok kami resource jungi badi ke jela jungi sudon hok hi siapa bakin kamai shua ki try jungi mo try jela tin ta ke dok kom le ka tourism kadai competition ru hawa pilih bahai beri unjit ipi ti seperhat bahai kan ni jing ajumot hi nakalian jungi gelang ba nang ni sakmat continue ki issue jong pi tang ba burom bu ya po ki be tengah keren ni kani lasai ka sing kan sodon gajian lang ba he ba po like kro ojrong ti ka ba barok khat ki stakeholder jong tourism ki badi nang kundang in sai simenta ban penpawi ka jing persya alor ka jing ja ne gaski ba ban keren sani kum no ban penting kenapa mungkin ki jing ja nang ni sakmat ki ban ja shu
kalian association dan tour guides association of Meghalaya dan mana step hi ngalayo call ke ba bon ngot ki guides ki ong kerja ayu ba stu support shalom bagi turis borok kim trek ban wan sini tekni kala kata jur sisal marba ki lakumba khat lain ngot ki bala koningan nadu mana step bagi ong bagi turis ki la cancel bagi syak sabon wan ti ki don ru ki guides ki bala phone nga ki ba ong ba ki dang don ki trip la sa ki dang don ki trip ki ni ki ban wan ru kala kata tekni ki jing le jong ki ni ki seng ka jing le start nanong mo ya kan kam tourism jungi kala penduk jakpo iki samla ki badang shim ki ni kam guide kumbala keren kumbala keroi baalan benhe ki ka tourism jungi kam de tang hasilong menta layat bahasa po ki thanong kendong te ke balik ke ya ki thanong kendong ru ka ai kam ai jam bat ka pen reduce kata ka jingwan jungi kena jungki samla na po nong kendong sesor hakaliang ban wat kam wat jam teka kam kala don lupa hasnong cuki tambala de kija kum kini kijingja ki bala aja teng umdei takasin ben kong pemerintah kan penduk mensim ki local guides jungi kan penduk mensim ki samla jungi ki badang kwa mensim ban sengkam sengjam rakini karkom ban guide ki turis ki ba let kini ki jaka ba fair tina kalian jong ka tour guides association of Meghalaya hi ka penram jor rekani ka jingja ba jingle jong kini ki sek.
It's very sad that we as the Tourism Forum, we strongly condemn this act that the NGOs have done. I think Subha Alan and the rest have talked a lot about this. So, as what Josie had inquired, the next program of action that we intend to do is to write a strong letter to the Tourism Minister, Paul Indore, to apprise him and to let him know about how we felt as stakeholders. We shall also be giving out a press release in text in a few hours' time, so that you can please kindly bring this out. And may we take this opportunity as stakeholders in the tourism industry that we apologize for this act, this cowardly act, illegal act done by NGOs. And as Bandung said, Meghalaya is a beautiful place. It's one of the top destinations in the country, and we welcome tourists again to this place.
In today's world, tourists traveling anywhere in any part of the world is welcomed. The last thing they do, the treatment they get is harassment in any part of the world. So it is not expected that we give them the best of treatment here, and they are not harassed. They had come with their families, they had hotel bookings, they were proceeding towards the hotel, they were looking forward to a weekend holiday, and they were suddenly turned back. So it is very unfortunate, and I hope it never repeats. This kind of a situation never appears again. The fallout of this is drastic. Today itself, the figures that I am getting is about 30% of bookings are being cancelled. And tomorrow onwards, we expect more than 50% of the bookings to be cancelled. It's already started happening because people are inquiring. And ultimately, who loses? The entire state loses. The entire population loses. A lot of people are dependent on the tourism now. My friends have already spelled the the vastness of the impact of the tourism industry, from the street hawkers to the homestay owners to the restaurants to the cafes, everyone is a loser. So it is a very, very losing situation for everyone, and we condemn this kind of an incident vehemently and urge upon the government to ensure that this kind of a situation is not repeated again.
Right now, we cannot speculate on what will be the impact of ILP, but for now, that's somebody else's business. So we are trying to concentrate on. In fact, today our minds are strictly on what's happening to us right now at home. I mean, so let the politics of the state takes its different turn.
No, if it's an illegal activity, definitely the law should take its own course. So we are happy that we heard that they have been detained or arrest maybe. So I think we are happy with that the government today acted fast and arrested those people who were there at Untunga. So
That is good, but provided for the action should be taken so that at least they will be.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.